Hello, in this video, I will share what I learned from a video about control systems engineering and the role of control engineers. One of the main things I learned from the video is that the control systems help machine operate automatically by monitoring outputs and adjusting inputs to reach a desired result. Control engineers design systems that make sure machines behave the way they are supposed to do. The video also explained the concept of feedback, where the system compares the desired output with the actual output and correct any errors. This process is very important in many technologies like robotic, vehicles, and automated manufacturing systems. Yes, the video was helpful because it explained the concept of control systems in a clear and simple way. The example used in the video made the topic easier to understand instead of just explaining theory. The video also showed how control systems are used in real-world engineering applications. As a future engineer, I found it interesting that control systems are used in many industries such as robotics, aerospace, and automation. This topic helped me understand how engineers design systems that are stable, efficient, and reliable. It also made me realize how important control engineering is in modern technology.